Welcome back, students. In the second part of chapter number 15 of EVS, the name of the chapter is Disaster and Rescue. Let's move ahead on page number 111. Here observation is given. You can observe the pictures here and you have to write about these pictures in the given space in your textbook. So let's observe first picture first. In the picture 1, you can see boys are running to catch a freely flying kite. The boy is running behind the kite without looking at the moving vehicles on the road. And where are these boys running? On the middle of the road. And he collides with a vehicle and accident takes place. Now what happens? While running to catch a freely flying kite, the boy is not looking here and there and he runs in the middle of the road. So vehicles moves on the road and he collides with a vehicle and accident takes place. Now observe the second picture. You can see in the second picture a hot milk is there in the cup. The boy climbs on a stool to fetch sugar from a jar kept on the rack. The other hand of the boy collides with the cup and the milk spills. So what happens? Must have scalded his hands and stomach. Now in this picture you must observe that a boy is trying to fetch sugar from the rack. Okay, and while doing this his other hand collides with the cup of hot milk and it spills. So he must burn his hand and stomach. Okay. Now observe the third picture. The girl is trying to switch on. As she touches the switch, she gets a shock. Her hands may be wet. The wires in the switch may not be insulated properly and hence there is current in the switch. You can see, observe in the third picture. What is there? A girl is trying to switch on but she gets shock. Maybe her hands are wet. So we never switch on or off while your hands are wet. Okay. It might be cause of accident also. So never use wet hands to switch off or on. Okay. Now let's move ahead to page number 112 and read with me. Read. We hear about various accidents. We must have seen such events. Television and newspapers often have such reports. Victims of such accidents sometimes lose lives. Sometimes there is a great damage. Such events are called disasters. Now students, we already learnt on about various accidents on page number 111 and we must have seen such events visually also in our daily life also, and we also read about this in newspapers also. We might seen in televisions also. So these reports are daily life become daily life news. We always heard these kind of news from the newspapers or the televisions. Okay, so victims of such accidents sometimes lose their lives also and sometimes there is a great damage also. So when the damage is great, the event is called disaster. Now here is a story given in your book on same page 112. Once there was a man named Amrit Bhai Patel. During monsoon, once Patel came back from his farm. Night fell, it was raining and it continued throughout the night. The village pond got filled up completely. Now, there is a man in the story whose name is Amrit Bhai Patel, and during monsoon, once he came back from his farm and the weather is very rainy. Okay, it was raining and throughout the night the rain continued. The village pond also got filled completely. Due to such an increase of water, the pond overflowed. The water from the pond entered the whole village. There was water and dirt everywhere. The water remained in the village for 2 to 4 days. Amrut Bhai saved many lives. Now what happens due to heavy rain? The water of the pond entered in the whole village, and with the water very dirt also comes to the houses, and water remained 2 to 4 days in the whole village, and Amrit Bhai saved many lives at this difficult time. In this difficult situation, Amrit Bhai shows his bravery and saved many lives. Okay. So generally natural problems are called disasters. Because of disaster, property suffers great loss and there is loss of lives also. People have to face various problems. Generally these natural problems are called disasters, and in disasters, while occurring disasters, there is a huge loss of property we have to face, and not only loss of property but loss of lives also. And people also have to face various or many problems like diseases spread, uh, harm of belongings, etc. We have to face many problems. Now next is think and write. So you can see here that a table is given in which you have to fill disaster we have heard about, that is flood, earthquake. Okay, then disaster we have seen, so we have seen earthquake and flood which we call tsunami. Okay, disaster we have experienced is earthquake. If you heard news daily, then recently there is an earthquake. You might be heard about the earthquake which occurs in Delhi. So these are the disasters which we have heard and experienced. Okay. Now next there is again a story given on page number 112. Jaipur was a small village. There lived a girl called Tejal. She very much liked to cycle. It was Sunday. Tejal cycled towards the bazaar. While returning, she saw some children playing cricket. She lost her attention and had a minor accident with a truck coming from opposite side. This accident caused a furor in Jaipur. Tejal had injury in her head. She had to stay in the hospital for 10 days. Now, the story is about a girl named Tejal who lives in Jaipur village, and she liked cycling very much. So, on Sunday, Tejal took his cycle and goes towards the bazaar. But while returning, she saw some children were playing cricket, and due to lose her attention, she met with an accident with a truck which was coming from the opposite side of Tejal. Okay, so this accident caused a furor in Jaipur. So she got injury on her head. So Tejal had to stay in the hospital for 10 days due to these injuries. So, generally accidents happen due to the mistake or blunder of a person. In such accidents, one or happens when we lose our attention, these accidents happen. So, it may be mistake of a person or it may be a blunder of a person. But because of these accidents, one or more people have to suffer. Okay. Now, children, on page number 113, there is an activity to fill colors. Okay, you have to fill colors. Blue color for, you have to observe the picture first and you have to fill colors. You have to fill blue color for the accident means if you observe the picture that it is a picture of accident, you have to fill blue color in the circle, and if is the picture of disaster, you have to fill blue color, oh sorry, yellow color for the disaster. Like you can see in this picture, I have colored these. In the first picture, it is an accident, so I filled blue color. Then in the second picture, it is a disaster, so I filled yellow color. So you also have to fill in your textbook. Then again in the third picture, boys are saying to catch freely flying kite. It is an accident, so I filled blue color. Again a boy slips, it is an accident, blue color. Then you can see the picture, it is a disaster of flood, so I fill yellow color in this. And the next is picture of storm. Okay, so I fill yellow color. So in this way you also have to fill in your textbook. Okay, now take out page number 116 in your textbook and read with me. Today, students of 5th standard of our school were shown a film. This film gave many important information regarding what to do at the time of troubles or disaster. The main actors in this film were child artists Harsh and Neeru, along with their Ba Nathiba. The CD illustrates various conditions. Now, today what happens? The children of 5th standard in the school were shown a film, and this film was regarding the important information that if any such accident occurs, so at that time immediately what actions we have to do. And the actors who are acting in this film were child artists named Harsh and Neeru, and with them Ba and Nathiba also there in this film. And this CD is illustrated about various conditions. So first condition is flood. Harsh and Neeru were giving information about the flood in the river. Because of the flood, there was a lot of inconvenience in this region. Rescue operations were taken up by the government and other organizations. Workers of rescue operations were instructing again and again. So, the first condition is the condition of flood, and Harsh and Neeru are giving information about flood in the river, and because of this flood there was lot of inconvenience in the region. Rescue operations were taken up by the government and the organizations, and even workers of rescue operations were also instructing again and again that what we have to do and how we can save. Take a baffrey and essential things for daily life and reach to the higher areas. In this condition, what we have to do, we have to go to the higher areas to live with the only necessary things with us. Next condition is the condition of cyclone. The wind was blowing, dust was flying all around. The roofs of people's houses were also flying away. Dirt, paper, plastic were also in the air. Repeatedly, instructions were given through the microphone. Do not stand near a tree, electric pole, houses with tin roofs or such dangerous places. Everyone should stand together in an open ground in the vicinity. Now, the second condition is the condition of cyclone. When cyclone comes, the wind is blowing. Wind means very fast air, moving air, and the air moves very fast and with the force. So at that time we should not stand under a tree or near a tree. We should not stand near the electric pole. Even we should not stand near the houses with tin roofs, or we should not stand any such dangerous places. Everyone should stand together at that time and in an open ground, because roofs of the houses also flying away due to the cyclone, because the wind was very fast or with the very force. When cyclone happens, the wind moves with the force. So uh, we have to do some we have to take some precautions, that we should not stand near a tree or any electric pole like that. And dirt, paper, plastic were also in the air, so we have to take precautions which are helpful to save our lives. Now next is to slip. A monsoon day was shown. Children were returning home from school. They were running, but just then Ruchan slipped because it had rained. The children stopped. Ruchan was crying. He had hurt his elbow. Just then his brother Pancham came. He helped Ruchan to slowly get up and tied his hand to the neck in a sling so that it would not move. Then he arranged for him to reach the hospital. Now, third one is to slip. Means there was a monsoon day and children were returning home from the school, and while returning home, Ruchan slipped because it had rained and the road was slippery. So children stopped there and Ruchan was crying because he hurt his elbow. So just then his brother Pancham came to him and he helped Ruchan to get up slowly, and he tied his hand to the neck in a sling so it wouldn't move. So because might be Ruchan have an fracture. So he did like this, and then he arranged for him to reach the hospital as soon as possible. So these are the some precautions we have to take while any such disaster or any such accident takes place. Like we can say like it is the first help also, immediate help we can do while occurring these accidents. I hope you all have understood up to here. We will meet again soon in the next part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.